Hello everyone. In our previous demo, we showed how to give internet access to the public subnet, but sometimes the private subnet needs access to the internet also. Maybe it just needs to download updates or go out for various purposes to a site and download something. But we'll show in this demo how to create access to the internet for the private subnet through a NAT gateway. First of all, we're at the default console and we want to go to VPC. So go to the VPC console. And on the left side, find NAT gateways. It's right down here on the left navigation pane. Click that. Create NAT gateway. And the name will be Lab NGW, NAT gateway. The subnet, here's where most people make the mistake. Even though we're giving access to the private subnet, we have to select public subnet because you're giving access to the public subnet. And then we want to select allocate elastic IP. And that will give us an elastic IP address for this as they go out. So it has a public IP address in order to find its way back. Then we click Create NAT Gateway. So we now have the NAT gateway, but we need to create a route so that the private subnet knows to go to the NAT gateway to go out. So next we're going to go to Route Tables. Back up to the navigation pane. Route Tables is under your VPC, right under your VPC's area. Route Tables. And we create a new route table. And we'll name it Private Route Table. Private Route Table. Which VPC? Well, this is associated to the Lab VPC. And click Create. Now we've created the route table, but we need to add a route. So we'll click down here at Add Routes, or Edit Routes rather, and then click Add a Route. And we'll say to get to the internet, which is 0000/0, the target will be a NAT gateway. And which NAT gateway? We have to select the one that we just created. You may have more at some later point, so be sure and select the right one, and then click Save Changes. So now this private network has a route, but it's not quite associated to it yet. We've created the route. We need to go to Subnet Associations and say, who do we want to use this route? Click Edit Subnet Associations, select the private subnet, and click Save Associations. And now the private subnet knows to go, if it wants to go somewhere other than locally, anywhere else like the internet, it will go to the NAT gateway and be natted out to the internet. Thank you for watching.